Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You sign into Microsoft 365, then open the SharePoint site you need. This is where the recycle bin lives for that site. Once on the site, use the left navigation or the site settings gear to proceed. Make sure you have at least member permissions because you need access to site contents. Now click Site Contents or the Settings menu so you can reach the Recycle bin link. This first step places you exactly where deleted items are. Once you open Site Contents and then the Recycle bin, you'll see the first stage deleted items. This is where most recoverable files appear. You can sort by name, deleted date, or filter by file type to narrow results, and you can preview items to confirm content before restoring. If you don't see it, check the Site Settings menu for a Recycle bin link. Understanding these controls speeds recovery and avoids accidental permanent deletion. Select one or multiple items and click Restore to return them to their original folders. This preserves version history when available. If items aren't shown, click the link to the second stage Site Collection Recycle bin. Those are retained longer and require admin-level recovery. Make sure you act before retention expires. If Restore fails, contact your SharePoint admin and mention retention policies and timestamps. They can often recover items from backups or audit logs, which solves most tricky cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.